Hello and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2011 Physics Past Question 28. Which of the following electromagnetic waves has the highest frequency? A. Infrared rays, B. X-rays, C. Ultraviolet rays, D. Radio waves. So usually when discussing electromagnetic waves, they say manner in which they are arranged in increasing order of frequency, or in order of increasing frequency. Okay, so the mnemonic revox G is usually used. So the first is radio waves with the lowest frequency, followed by infrared rays, followed by visible light, followed by ultraviolet or UV rays, followed by X-rays, and then finally gamma rays. So in order of increasing frequency. So we asked for the one which has the highest frequency here. Now radio wave has the lowest frequency among all the EM waves, so it is the first here, so D is not the answer. Infrared rays is the second lowest. Okay, second lowest, so it is not the answer. Now UV rays, you have it here, but UV ray, of course, from this sequence we have, has lower frequency than X-rays, so ultraviolet rays is not the answer. So the one with the highest frequency here is B, X-rays. So X-rays is the answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.